Hi everybody, my name is M. Manjunath Reddy, proprietor of SAI CAD. I welcome you all to today's topic, that is in AutoCAD software, how to convert 2D text into 3D text. Before that, we need to explore that, but normally we cannot explode 2D text in AutoCAD. Let us see how we can do and how we can achieve that 3D text model. So here the AutoCAD screen, in the blank screen, you can see that I'm going to type now some text matters. That is, placing text matter in AutoCAD is dtext command. Normally dtext, that's called a dynamic text, dtext. The short form is dt. Short form is dt, enter. I click a point here. Then the height point is height, the specified height is 1, enter. 1 value, enter. The font height, that is, I specify rotation angle, let it be 0, enter. You can, the bottom of the screen, you can watch out that the command prompt. I type now spellings SAI space CADD, SAI CAD, double enter. Double enter will make you to come out of the command and text is placed. You can see that SAI CADD is the text which I have taken here now. Now the text is placed. Now I want to change the font style. Font style I'm going to change now, but command itself is called style. style is the command. Short form is st. You can say st, enter. St, enter. In this, instead of Arial, I go back to C series. CO, I would like to choose a Comic Sans. That is a SAI CAD standard font name. Comic Sans MS. Instead of regular, I choose bold. Font name is a Comic Sans, font style is a bold. I'll make it a current. Here it is in the dialog box. Set current. I say yes. I say close. So I hope you have noticed font style is changed. Font style is changed. Let me have one more copy of this text. CP, enter. Let me select this. Click and drag to down with R2 only. Okay. So I copied one more set here. I wish to switch off this grids here. I go back to switch on here. The grid switched off, done, over. Now, you know that in AutoCAD, normally we cannot explode the text. Like a separate, I cannot do that here. Let us try that out. X, enter. Explode command short form is X, enter. X, enter. Explode the text is select this. Once I click on that, in the command prompt, you can notice this red color line here. I was not able to explode. Okay, one was not able to explode it. One was not able to explode it. So we cannot now, in this method, we cannot explode the text matters. So there is one more method where we can successfully explode the text matters. That is here in the Express tool here. Here, watch out my cursor tip again. Express tool, and in the text, you go to modify text here. In the down arrow here, drop down list, you click here and choose explode. This is meant only to export text matters. I repeat again, Express tools, text, modify text, explode. Click there and select this word SAI CAD. Select this, enter. And now the text is vanished from that orientation. It has placed out somewhere here. Let me zoom into this. Now you can see all are separated like this. You can see the grips on the font here, separated. But still I want to break this into separate. Now we can apply the normal explode command. Now we can apply normal explode by saying X, enter, select the complete text, enter. Now if I click, you can see the curvature that acts as each individual separate line like this. Anywhere, even in the curvatures, you can see that it's made up of separate lines here. Let be like that, but here make sure that I don't want this intermediate lines here. So let me erase this. If I select one and delete, there is one more line behind that. Select this and delete. Means there are two lines each representing. Select this and delete, select this and delete. Instead of doing two times repetition, you can do in a crossing selection like this. Click and drag to left. Not right. Right is a blue patch, left is a green patch. This green patch indicates wherever that hits or passes or touches that get selected. If I select this, I delete. So both the double lines are selected. I repeat this method here also. So instead of selecting each time, I'm just using crossing selection here. Let me remove all these intermediate lines here. Till carefully this one only. Yes. So make sure that SAI spelling, there are no intermediate lines here. Remove. Similarly, I also remove all the intermediate lines even in the CAD spelling here. I remove this. I get into this. I remove even this. Delete this. Let me try together this. Remove. This also remove. So last only few is left out. Remaining 4 is left out. This segment, and last finally 2 more. This also deleted. Either you top to down you can come, or reverse way from bottom to move up you can say, but it should be left only, not right. Okay, it should be left, not right. So left, select, delete, done. So make sure that one more time cross checking. Is there any intermediate lines? No. Fonts are very clear cut. Make sure that there is no opening. Opening means like this. This you cannot convert into 3D solid now because there's an opening now. I'll undo it back, reverse it. You enter to step back, you enter to get it back. Okay. So font is very clear. Now, this we can convert into 3D model. Just I'm going to copy this. One more set I wanted to duplicate. Complete text I have selected. Bring it down by click, drag, click here one more time. Done. Over. Let me evaluate this line length at least by pressing F2. This is around 10 at least. Okay. This is around 10. Okay. Just for my clarification, I took that line length was around 15. Okay. Now this is in a 2D. We are in a top view. Please note that I say P enter. P enter is for pan. I get a pan because of the symbol. You can see immediately that my cursor tip. What this mentioned here is a top view. We are right now in the top view. Okay, I'll go back to home. I'll show back again. This is top view. To convert this into 3D model, I would like to say this into region command, or I go back to 3D world first. Let me go to 3D, take you to 3D world. Here in the bottom right, I'm taking you to 3D world now. That is here in the bottom side, workspace switching here and click into 3D modeling. Once you click on this, all the top ribbon, the top panel will get updated to 3D modeling. Let me check out that. Let me show you that 3D modeling here. Please watch out. All the top panel will change to accommodate you very comfortable to generate 3D models. Yes, everything is updated, changed. I think you can notice the top side buttons here in the panel here. All have updated to 3D set. Done. Now, what we do now, I want to get into 3D model in the 3D view actually. So what I'll do, in the visualize, you can see there's a lot more top menus are there. Here in this, I go to home, or there are some solid surface mesh, so many are there. But now I'll take it to visualize here, the menu. You can see the cursor tip here, visualize. In the left side, you can see here, click and drop down list. You can see so many options here, top, bottom, left, right, font, back. SW stands for southwest, SE for southeast, NE for a northeast, NW for northwest. I'll take it to first is SW, that is southwest. If I click on that, the visualization automatically tilted. The 3D view is tilted, slanted to southwest. We are standing in the southwest and looking to the model. Now, if I click on this, still it is a separate line. So you can see this. This cannot be turned into solid model unless you turn this into one entity. So the command to convert 2D to 3D is region. Before that, I would like to say region command. REGION is the command. Short form is REG. REG, enter. I select this complete drawing very carefully. Make sure this complete got selected, or through the Windows selection, whatever. Now the base set. Let me set all this. Or I can tilt also by holding Arbit. Arbit matlab like this. You can see this. I'm holding shift button on my keyboard. Holding shift button on my keyboard. And press and hold your mouse wheel and drag the mouse. Hold shift button, hold mouse wheel and drag the mouse like this. But still we are in 3D only. I select complete this text here. Enter. Around 878 lines were selected. You can see that, okay? 878 lines. Again, I go back to click here and I choose here again one more time southwest to accommodate right orientation. Now you can see acts as a one set now. One set acts as a one set. Let me extrude this now. The command is extrude, which converts AutoCAD 2D into AutoCAD 3D solid model. After saying extrude, enter. Short form is EXT also you can say. EXT, enter. Select the complete text ranges. This text. Yeah. Enter. I select all this spelling SAI CADD and I'm raising height to 1.5. The height of the extrusion I needed is 1.5. That's 15 height. Enter. So you can see the text height set for 15. Now again orbit. Press and hold the shift. Press and hold the mouse wheel and drag the mouse. You can see the text is converted very clearly, very successful to solid model. Now still this looks like a wireframe. This looks like a wireframe. So what I do in a visualize menu, I come back to here, the visual style. In this, you click here and I go back to so many options are there in it, like a wireframe, shaded mode, X-ray mode, whatever. I wish to choose here shaded with edges. You can see that clear cut. So this is how we convert AutoCAD 2D text into AutoCAD 3D text. But still, some fine tunes are there here. The A is got filled up, and here A is filled up. D and D also is filled up here. If I try to move the outer body of D, select this. I said M, enter. Select this outer body of the D, enter, click and drag. This shows very clearly that there are two models, one in another body, external body and interior body. I'll reverse it back. U, enter. Reverse the process, undoing process, U, enter. So I want to remove that now. External body I want to retain, internal body I want to remove. So for that there's a command called subtract. SUBTRACT. Subtract is the command. Short form is SU will do. Sorry. Yes, you will do. Select the external body first, enter. Then make sure carefully choose the internal body, enter. Now that got eliminated. That got removed. So you can see the clear cut D spelling. I repeat the same thing here also. Yes, you enter. Select the outer body, enter on the keyboard and choose carefully the internal model, enter. It got cut, removed. Similar way, I need to apply two more A's here. A. I go to orbit now, slightly orbit here. Yes, you enter. Together I can do that now. Select this A, left side A, and also this right side A, enter. Carefully select the internal model here as well here, enter. I hope you can see the clear cut opening inside the A here. SAICADD spelling is clear cut with the internal, all the clearance is done. So this is how we convert a 3D text in AutoCAD. Now we are in 3D model. I wanted to go back to top view again. How do I go? Again, go to visualize here in the top side and click on the SW here and choose here top. That will display the top view. Okay, now I want to reset all my panel, 3D panel to 2D panel. Again, you go back to the same process here. Come back to the bottom right of the screen. Come back to the bottom right of the screen and here workspace switching, click on it and choose drafting and annotation. This will bring back screen details to top view. But before that, I wish to change the color mode into normal edges here. So go back to here, visual style, that is here in the visual style, shaded edges are selected, click back to 2D wireframe. That's fine. Now go back to convert this to workspace switching, go back to drafting annotation. Now all the panel got reset to 2D models. So today's topic is completed. I hope you all enjoyed the session. and gained a very good skill in converting 2D text into 3D text. Before that, export will not work. So we are seeing that in Express tools, we have exported. Have a nice day.